Look what I have got, a walkie-talkie. Stefan, can you hear me?
I can hear you perfectly.
We are about to start now.
I will arrive in a few seconds.
Hi Stefan.
Hi Sascha.
Stefan, you told me that you would show an exciting new function of PTFix.
Like your walkie-talkie, our new function distribution blocks provide a quick solution for signal disconnections. The difference is that you use a button to disconnect the communication signals. We, on the other hand, use different types of disconnect knives, depending on the product, to safely disconnect our signals. In addition, with the basic separation block variant, we can not only separate signals, but also integrate different functional plugs, such as fuse plugs or component plugs.
So, PTFix now also offers signal conditioning solutions. What are the main features of these function blocks?
In addition to the advantages of the entire PTFix family, the quick separation of signal circuits and the rapid integration of functional elements using the standardized clip-line complete accessories is a real USP.
Awesome. So let's have a practical check. Can you install the PTFix within our control cabinet?
But of course, this is nothing different from connecting the other PTFix distribution blocks. First, we select a mounting adapter. Here, one of the mounting rail adapters is suitable. Now we snap the block onto the adapter and we can integrate the block into the system. Simply attach the adapter and the wiring can begin. As soon as you have wired the connection points, you can easily disconnect the individual signal paths here. For example, to measure the individual circuits.
PTFix has always been a flagship for flexible operation. With the new function blocks, it also proves its multifunctionality.